how to schedule a meeting directly from the Teams calendar. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you through the exact steps on how you can schedule a meeting directly from the Teams calendar. So in order to start, the first thing that we're going to do is simply go to the calendar tab by clicking onto this calendar icon over the left hand side of your Teams window. And once you're going to do this, you will see the entire week right here. So if you want to change its view, you can simply go to the top right corner, and from here you can make it a week, a day, or also a month. If you would like to change the month, you can click onto this drop down and specify that particular date on which you want to schedule the meeting. So for example, let's say I want to schedule a meeting for 1st of January. So here you can see that here are the dates, and this is the 1st of January lying right here. So under this, I can specify the particular time. As you can see, these rows represent the particular time. So for example, let's say I want the meeting between 9 and 10 p.m., or let's say 9 to 10 a.m. So currently we are in 9 to 10 a.m. So I'm going to simply specify that particular slot like this. And once I will specify the slot, even if I have selected any other time, I can change the same from this setting. I can specify a title, like let's say New Year meeting title, and then I can enter the recipient's email address as well. So let us add the recipient's email address, and I can also add multiple recipients. Then I can again specify the date, that is January 1st, and then I can also specify the time, let's say from January 1st from 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. I mean 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. And also if it is a all day meeting, I can choose the all day option. I can specify a location, or let's say the details or the agenda of the meeting as well. And then I can click onto the send button, and you will see that a meeting has been successfully created on 1st of January 2026. And you will see a message like this: to copy the link, you can click onto this copy option, and your meeting will be successfully created, which you can also see from here. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.